Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to export your saved passwords from the Brave browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Exporting passwords is useful if you are switching to another browser, creating a backup, or moving to a new computer. Brave lets you save all your passwords into a CSV file in just a few clicks. So let's get started. First, open the Brave browser. Now click the three-line menu or the menu icon in the upper right corner and scroll down. Then choose Settings. From the left sidebar, click the Autofill and Passwords. Next, click the Password Manager. Here you will find all your saved usernames and passwords. Now click the menu icon in the Password Manager. Select Settings. Under Export Passwords, click the Download File button. Windows may ask you to verify your identity using your Windows password, PIN, fingerprint, or face recognition. Complete the verification. After that, choose a location where you want to save the CSV file. Give a name if you want, and then click on the Save button. That's it. Your Brave passwords have now been exported successfully. Keep in mind that the exported CSV file contains your passwords in plain text. Anyone who opens the file can see your login credentials. So store it in a secure location and delete it when you no longer need it. And that's all about this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.